Half a day, and welcome to the vibrant island of Guam, where the sun is always shining and the flavors are nothing short of paradise. Today, we're diving into a classic Chamorro dish that's as delightful as the island itself chicken Kelaguen. Whether you're looking to impress at your next gathering or simply bring a taste of Guam to your table, you're in for a treat. Grating fresh coconut can truly elevate this dish, lending its rich, natural sweetness and texture. Kamzo is the traditional specialized grater or tool that we use for this purpose. If you don't have a kamzu on hand, no worries, any food processor will do. Now, before I started grating my coconut, I started cooking my chicken. Mom and dad would always tell me to cook it three-fourths of the way and allow the salt and lemon to do the rest. So once the chicken cools down, it's time to chop it up into bite sized pieces or whatever size you want. It's your chicken Kelaguen. So the next two ingredients that I'd add is lemon and salt. Now with lemon, instead of using regular lemons, I like the lemon powder, and I'll use a whole packet of lemon powder. And then I'll add some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I would add as needed. So you always got to taste and kind of pour a little bit more of this, a little bit more of that until the taste is just perfect for you. And it all depends on how much Kelaguen you're making. And next comes green onions. So I just usually use a stalk of green onions, but you can use as much as you like. Again, it's your Kelaguen. So the last ingredients to add is the coconut.